Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping the hardware. Update your iPhone or iPad and pair AirPods 4, because firmware parity is required for spatial functions. Once paired, open Control Center with the AirPods in and tap the audio card. Enable spatial audio immediately so the system routes multi-channel mix. If your device supports true depth, run the personalized spatial audio setup now to map your ear geometry. This improves directionality and keeps virtual sources stable as you move. Next, you configure modes and why each matters. Go to Settings, tap your AirPods under Bluetooth, and choose Spatial Audio options. Select Head tracked for a world-stable soundstage when you move, or Fixed for a cinematic mix that stays attached to the device. Follow iPhone ties the perspective to screen movement. Also enable spatialized stereo to upmix regular stereo into a 3D field. This helps casual tracks sound wider even if they lack Dolby Atmos metadata. Finally, validate the setup by playing a Dolby Atmos or spatial test track so you hear movement and placement. Listen for distinct directional cues and stable phantom sources. If imaging feels wrong, rerun the personalized spatial audio scan, adjust ear tip fit, and make sure both buds seat correctly. Fit changes spatial cues a lot. If things still fail, update firmware, unpair and repair the AirPods, or toggle spatial audio off and on. These quick resets resolve most software glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.